What if I told you that Croatia is among the EU countries? If the UK seems expensive, consider Croatia, a booming country with numerous opportunities. In today's video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on obtaining a Croatian visa, whether for work, study, or other purposes. Let's begin. Step 1. The first step is to determine which Croatian visa type you need and check whether you're eligible to apply for it. You'll also need to know the documents that you'll have to submit along with your application, how long the application might take, and fees you'll have to pay. Each application must comply with the guidelines applicable for your visa category. If your documents are not in English, you may need to get translations prepared before applying. You might be wondering, how do I check the visa types and its eligibility? To do this, visit this link, visa.vfsglobal.com/1pager/Croatia/Nigeria/English. Step 2. Once you have determined which type of visa you need, it's time to begin your application. Here, you need to fill the visa application form online and arrange your documents as per the checklist. The link to get started with the application online has been attached to this video description. Additionally, for your reference, the link is crovisa.mvep.hr. Step 3. Choose a visa application center and make an appointment. Once you have applied for your visa, you need to book an appointment to have your fingerprints and photo taken at a visa application center. This is known as biometric information. Once you've booked your appointment, you'll receive an appointment confirmation email along with the letter of appointment. If you are part of a family or group, you'll have to book individual appointments for each member of the family or group. To book an appointment, follow this link, visa.vfsglobal.com/nga/HRV/book an appointment. Step 4. Pay your fees. Once you have made your application, you will need to pay your visa application fee. If you download the form to print and bring to the visa application center, payment will be made at the time of your submission. Find out the amount you need to pay. To learn more about the fees, visit visa.vfsglobal.com/1pager/Croatia/Nigeria/English. Step 5. Submit your complete visa application form at the visa application center in person. At the center, you will also need to submit your fingerprints and photograph. This is known as biometric information collection. We have attached the link to learn more about everything that will happen at the visa application center. Once you are done with this step, it's time to track your application. Before we discuss about how you can track your application, it has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. Now, back to the video. Step 6. Track your application. Stay informed about the progress of your application. You will receive an email update when your decision has been returned to the Visa Application Center. If you can't access email easily or would like more detailed tracking information, you may also be able to get updates by SMS sent directly to your phone. Feel free to check whether this service is available at the Visa Application Center you are visiting. You can also track your visa application status online. Use the reference number present on the invoice issued by the Visa Application Center along with your date of birth, DOB, to access this service. We have attached the link to track your visa application status on the YouTube description. After a visa application decision has been made, you can pick up your documents or passport from the Visa Application Center, or have your documents returned to you by courier based on the mode of delivery opted by you at the time of submission of visa application. When coming to collect your passport at the Visa Application Center, please come along with your original ICR and original governmental ID proof and copy. The original ICR is a document you received when you submitted your visa application, which confirms that your application was accepted or otherwise. At this point, we hope you found this video useful to serve as a guide to relocate to Croatia. We say all the best on this journey. Should you have any questions about this, please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. Please share this video.